Hello. We have lost our last run, which we should have won. Eve is just hurting our soul a little bit. Um, it was my own fault. I got hit by so many things. I got the blood puppy and forgot, hey, I should make him not aggressive to me until after the fight. And then I fought Mom by accident, and I skipped an item room and the boss room. Yeah, it was bad. All right, we are doing Cat Got Your Tongue. So I am using Guppy. I am already Guppy. And to start, I basically have to use Guppy's hairball, which is very sad because it's really annoying. Fuck off. I have a lot of health to start though, which is really nice. The sad thing about it though is that you lose health really quickly sometimes. Oh my gosh. Give me another. I need a redemption spirit heart. Thank you. So in this one, I can't shoot, but I can like summon flies and stuff. Yeah, I need something else because I actually don't know how to do this. I'm trying my best. There. I need to like work a way to get momentum to whack people with this. That was good. All right. Okay, we got some more health. Heck. Man, this is so hard. My other run was so much easier. Doing it. Buy health. We didn't need you anyway. We did need the health, to be honest. You gotta love enemies that chase you. They're like our bread and butter. Okay, thanks for the range up. That's so kind. I can do so much things with the range when I can't shoot. Oh, game. Please. That was really rude, to be honest. I didn't appreciate the fact that, leave me alone. For heck's sake. Oh, goodness. For heck's sake. For the goodness gracious sake of heck. Oh my gosh, new tech. We spin. The tech is spinning. We figured it out. No, it's fine. It's actually great. We spin, we get speed up. I don't really need... Oh my gosh. Alright, we will take this. We will take you. We will go boom. We will take Dead Cat. Now we have 9 lives, and now we go with Guppy's head again. Yeah, no, we need Guppy's head. We got all the Guppy's items and Stigmata. Wait, that's not Stigmata. This one's so much worse. Am I just gonna like kill him? Fuck. I mean, you gave me extra damage, so I don't hate you completely. The problem. I wish I realized to spin before I lost all like the momentum with all my health. It is nice having 9 lives though, except for all it means is that to lose I have to really suffer, because with 9 lives I now have, you guessed it, 9 lives. So if I die, it means I come back, and then I have to like die 9 whole times to lose. No, because you come back with 1 heart each time. So if you get hit twice or even just once at the end, or depends, you just die. So sometimes it's just very painful to finish the game like that. Oh man. You're a kitty cat Beyblade. Compost? I don't know how compost works. I don't think it's better though. I'm drowsy? We will take another I'm drowsy. Make me drowsy pill. Do it. Oh yeah. Make the boss drowsy. We'll make everyone drowsy. Close. Another mom item? Thanks for your lipstick. Give me some more range, why don't you? Game, I don't know if you realize this, but I don't need more range. I don't. It's kind of rude. Like, okay, alright, dude. Yeah, I will accept. You're like a Beyblade. Fuck. Stapler? I don't know if that's actually good. Just because, I can't actually shoot. I think it's good for the flies, because the flies scale off of my damage. I don't know if Hairball does. This is so stressful. I don't even know how to explain it. But I'm concentrating so much. And that makes me sad. Gone are the days of no concentration. And you know...
I'm ready. Really? Fine.
How does that work? I thought you were supposed to, like, say a word or something. And then we'd have to, like... No, not... What is that? No, I thought concentration was the one where you, like, have, Oh man, I need to think. Where you have like categories. No, not categories. Categories is its own thing. Yeah, I thought you like say category, and then you have to like. What do you mean? What did you say? What do you mean one was Mickey Mouse?
Well, I would fun everyone.
What do you mean Mickey? What does that do though? Like I thought you said like a category and then you had to say things in that category without without messing up.
Yeah, but that's how you do it.
What the f- What? I've never heard that. Oh my gosh, I've died for the first time. Life is bad. Oh man, this is a problem. We're on a losing streak. Well, I haven't completely lost yet, but I feel completely lost inside. Ever since you started saying random things about Mickey Mouse, things have gone bad.
Watch Legacy.
What's legacies?
So that adding it.
Oh. Like not inappropriate bad, just bad bad. True. It sounds... Das ist nicht gut. Nein. I only have one heart. I lost all my heart advantage. Well, at least now I know to spin. So at least if I do this again, I will start off spinning. And then maybe... I got it. Yeah.
Without Alice.
Without Alice? Yeah, probably. We can do whatever we want. But I think we were watching the Australia. I honestly don't really want to. I don't know, not really. The more I thought about it, the more I was like, that would kind of suck.
Watching it.
No, watching it in general. I feel like I'm not wrong in that statement.
I was like, I can't.
I walked into a fire. Sorry. Yeah.
I was into it as like a fun thing.
Yeah.
But we.
It never finished.
And then when we wanted to, she was like, well, watch it different. No, we have to finish what we were on.
Yeah, I don't know why that was... Well, no, we do know why that was a thing.
Why?
Oh, I don't know. I was gonna be like, it became exclusive between her and her best friend again.
What's the show that we do?
The climbing anime. It's Crunchyroll, I think. You know what I mean.
I don't
Oh
know
man,
which
this
title I said.
motherfucker. Just look up rock climbing anime. I'm sure it'll pop up.
Yes.
What do you mean not helpful? I would probably find it, to be honest. I honestly picked the worst items to have. I could have had, like, better things instead of... It killed him! Hell yeah, let's go. Card strength, actually. Also, I'll take an extra health. Honestly, that was a really bad decision. As much as I was like, yeah, an extra health. No, dude, you're just gonna lose it. I don't know. If I was wanting to watch something, I probably would have watched it. Nein.
Ist stressig.
Na.
Du bist sehr
Ich bin wunderbar.
stressig.
What?
Ja.
Nein.
Ja.
Nein.
Ja.
Nein.
Warum nein?
Das ist nicht gut. Oh shit. That's fine. That's fine. It's fine.
Sind sie nicht?
I need to concentrate. I can't listen to you.
Wow.
I'm spinning around a hairball. And I need to be on my game. Yeah. 48-hour energy. We will save those until we find our boss room. Heck. Did you notice, guys, that I'm a left spinner, not a right spinner? Wait. Am I a left spinner or a right spinner?
Those
Left.
words.
Yeah, I do. I spin to the left. I can't even, like, figure out spinning to the right. Oh, there, I'm doing it. I don't like it, though. It feels bad. Spinning to the right is wrong. There, I said it. Amnesia game. Oh, found it. Yeah, anyone who spins to the right, you can tell them I told them. They are losers. We kind of got the best mom for this, which is so great. We might actually do this. The less things you summon, the better my life is, dude. Thank you. I committed. I used the strength card because I've done it. I've completed the challenge. I did it in time for boss rush. Oh my gosh, that would be the most miserable thing. No. We shouldn't. No, I'm not doing it. I am taking the W, as the children say. You know what it means to take a W? Steph? Steph? Steph said that taking a W is taking a wee wee. I think from the last time I listened to my videos, you can hear what she says anyway. So I didn't need to repeat it. But no, you can hear you. We are taking our wee wee. We even done it. Wow, we unlocked Rune of Algiz. And look at that. Looky here. Cat got your tongue. Gone. Good. Done. Alright, now we need to get rid of that -1 win streak. I like how they still call it a win streak. They should change it to become a lose streak. Because then you know you're a loser. Got him. Anyways, peace. Bye. Good night.